Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all well and enjoying your holidays. Today now we are going to start a new chapter in your grade 5. The name of the chapter is Good Health. So before we starting this chapter, so let me ask you one thing. So what do you understand by health? Any idea what is health? Health means the state of being free from illness or injury or any kind of diseases. Which means if a person is not suffering from any illness, disease, or any physical or mental illness, then the person is said to be healthy. Understand? Which means if a person who is not suffering from any illness, disease, any type of disease or illness, whatever it is physical or mental, then the person is said to be healthy. And if a person is suffering from any physical or mental illness or any type of or any kind of injury, then the person is unhealthy. So the person who is said to be healthy, who is not suffering from any illness, disease, or a person is said to be unhealthy if a person is suffering from any disease or illness. So now, how do we keep our body healthy? Any idea how to keep our body healthy? We keep our body healthy by eating nutritious food. So before we know, so let me ask you, what is food? Food is most important thing. It's the most important thing. For survival of every living organism, food is necessary. Food gives us energy, and this energy we utilize in many metabolic activities like walking, sleeping, singing, speaking, etc. Okay, food gives us energy, and this energy we utilize in many metabolic activities like walking, sleeping, singing, speaking, etc. So what is the thing that present in the food that gives us energy? So let's talk about the components present in the food. Food contain essential component known as nutrients, and these nutrients provides us energy to do work, help in repairing old cells and making new cells. So the important components of food are carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins, water and minerals. Understand the important component? Now let's talk about the sources and function of these components. The first important component is protein. The function of protein is to help us in building muscles and help us in the growth of muscles. You have seen a young those person who go in gym after completing exercise, they drink a milkshake or protein shake. Why they drink protein shake? Because protein helps in building muscles and helps in the growth of muscles. So the sources of protein are chicken, cheese, meat, seeds, eggs, beans, etc. Understand? These are the sources of protein. Now let's talk about the another component is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate gives us energy, and this energy we utilize in different metabolic activities like walking, sleeping, singing, etc. And the sources of protein, you have seen the sources of protein in the in your screen, the main sources of carbohydrate is your wheat, rice, fruit juice, pulses. The, these are the sources of carbohydrate, and carbohydrate is very important for every human, because the carbohydrate gives us energy, and this energy we utilize in lots of metabolic activities. Now let's talk about the third component, fat. Fat gives us energy and keeps our body warm and helps in maintaining body temperature. As we all know that human is a warm blooded animals, and it is important to keep our body warm. So the fats helps in keeps our body warm. The sources of fats are meat, nuts, butter, oil, ghee, etc. Understand? Now talk about the fourth component and the most important component, vitamins. Vitamins is very important in our body because it fight against disease and provide immunity to our body. It's same as the soldiers fighting against the enemy in a war. In the same way, the vitamins acts like a soldier in our body and fight against diseases. If our body lacking these vitamins, then our body is not able to fight against disease, and our body might be suffering from different diseases. In the next lecture, we discuss the diseases because of the deficiency of vitamins. So understand the topic today we discussed about the health. Which person is said to be healthy? The person who is not suffering from any disease, illness, whatever it's physical or mental, then a person is said to be healthy. Or if a person is suffering from any kind of diseases, injury or illness, then person is said to be unhealthy. We keep our body healthy by eating nutritious food. And the important nutrients that gives us energy are the important components that gives us energy, and that present in food are carbohydrate, vitamins, protein, vitamins, etc. Okay, so we will discuss the next topic in next lecture. Hope you all understand this topic. uh, I will give you a one worksheet, and you have to complete the worksheet in your previous year science notebook. Thank you.